Well, it sounds okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. So, congratulations. You're doing a good job. Thank you, teacher. Go ahead. Okay, okay, Dennis, Kilo 1 Lima, Germany, Quebec. Okay, Dennis, thank you very much for your service to you, your family. Good luck to the end. Okay, Dennis, my information, no problem, 100% is yours at Pontico. Okay, Dennis, thank you very much, my friend. Have a seat. Good luck to the end, my friend. Papa, Uniform 5, Delta, Uniform Delta, Kilo 1 Lima, Germany, Quebec, over. Oh, wonderful. Well, it's nice to meet you, Renato. And, no, do you see yourself by the bureau? Is that okay?